Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today, as I have promised, we will take a look at the New Zealand dollar, because on the euro currency yesterday we have let's call it, has created the trading plan that where you have to take the decision where to take the short or not yesterday. So if you have taken the short, you probably now feel yourself confidence because euro has dropped a bit. So maybe today you could even move your stop to the break-even and watch what will happen. But anyway, our entry where we discussed it yesterday has completed, and right now we just could wait and see what will happen. So grabber that we have discussed yesterday on euro currency is still valid. Market is moving down, although it is happening as a bit slower, but still some drift to the downside exists, and this is the good sign. Now we just need to see whether market will take out the low around 107 on the euro currency, and whether it will give us the final and very important confirmation of the bearish ambitions. If this really will happen, that will be just very good. Meantime, we will take a look at the New Zealand dollar, because we see the setup on the New Zealand dollar of the second importance compares to the euro currency. And it really has the very big potential, approximately the same potential as was on Australian dollar. But as an Australian dollar market already has hit the target. So I just will show you the Australian dollar, especially weekly chart that we have discussed. Recall what we have said on the weekly. We said that we have bearish dynamic pressure, and we think that market should take it out of these lows. And this move has happened very fast. Recall how we discussed this triangle. In fact, that market hasn't quite reached the border, and we said that probably the breakout should follow. And this was really fast action. We thought initially that it should take more time. So you can see, but drop has happened almost for the 5 sessions. This market has passed for the 73.40, almost to the 69 area. So the 400 pips was just in a week, was reached in a week. So it's really very fast drop. Something of that sort, but in a bit bigger scale, we expect on the New Zealand dollar. That's why we see that setup on the New Zealand dollar has really big potential. It's very perspective. So, and what particular patterns we see on the New Zealand dollar? First of all, guys, on the daily chart, we see this potential for the butterfly. Right now, market stands on 65.60 approximately. The target of the butterfly, this possible first destination, is approximately 60.50 area. So again, that's around 500 pips potential. Not really small move, but what the guarantee that market will drop lower? What the chances market really will form this butterfly? Well, guys, but also first I would like to say that take a look that we even have taken this extreme point, but not that extreme point. If you will increase this to these lows and will form the butterfly, you will get even lower target. But I think that even this butterfly will be sufficient for us. But what the guarantee the market will drop lower? Well, I will not take into consideration the fundamental part. It's just the technical issues. First of all, the most important thing, what do you think? What's the most important thing right now on the daily chart? Right, the most important is this extreme point. Why? Because this extreme point stands few pips lower than this point. That's not just occasional action. So if you will draw the A, B, C bottom pattern, you will see that right here market has completed 618 target and shows the minor retracement. So in the normal action after this retracement, market should complete some kind of the A, B, C, D pattern. So recall, initially we have expected it. That we said, take a look, we had something that looks like the head and shoulders. Maybe market will continue move higher because this will be normal reaction on the monthly setup. Here was a very important monthly setup. We'll talk about it a bit later. But take a look what has happened. Once market has exceeded 618 minor target, it has failed to pass through the stop and turn down. This is the crack of the bullish scenario on the market right at this point, because this turning to the downside action breaks normal behavior of the bullish market. That's why right after this moment market has stopped to be the bullish market. What is even more important is that hardly it was occasional that market wasn't able to clear out of these stops and keeps the chances of the appearing of the butterfly. That's the first important moment. Second important moment, take a look at the ABCD action. Take a look at the speed of the AB leg and the CD leg. CD leg is much flatter than an AB. It indicates the weakness of the market, the exhausting of the bullish power, and tells that this is mostly the retracement. And now take a look at the drop speed. This is slower upward action and drop much faster. Here we see some signs of the thrust, markets opening on the top, close on the bottom, candles to the downside. Right now market has hit the oversold. That's why it stands here and doesn't drop lower. So this is some kind of the flag pattern is forming right now at this moment. So some minor retracement. That due to the hitting of the oversold. But at the same time, guys, market has no significant supports, because the fib support that is based on this swing to the upside, the deep 618 support right here, and market hasn't quite reached it yet. The fib levels based on most recent swing, because this stop stands below it, and that's why we should use either this swing or that swing. We can't use swing from this low to this stop, because this stop is below this one. So this is the basics of the Jordan-Apple technique. So anyway, the fib levels that stands from this swing already has been broken. So the one support that holds market from the further drop is just oversold condition. And market right now is calling on the sideways action. It's forming some sort of the flag pattern that we probably could use for taking the short position. Now, guys, we will take a look at the monthly chart and take a look what we really could get, why we think that this drop is very possible. Hey, so take a look what we could get. If this will be the bearish grabber on the monthly chart, it definitely will tell that market will take it out with these lows. And that lows, guys, these lows, and butterfly, hence butterfly could be completed. That's why monthly chart is very important. Here, guys, you also could see the scenario why we said that this bounce will be possible at all, because take a look, market has hit very strong support. It's completion of the ABCD 1618 target right at the major fib support level, this low to this top 618 support. So this is agreement around major fib support, and take a look, that was also the monthly oversold. That's why this upward action was should have happened absolutely. That's why it has started, and market even has completed the minor target. It's the ABCD 618 extension. So we have traded this setup. Maybe you remember this. But right now we are mostly interested with this downward action. If we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, probably we will not get some significant retracement. Also, guys, we do not have here any clear ABCD patterns or something of that sort. We just have support that comes from the oversold on the daily chart. We have nothing more. At the same time, weekly pivot point hasn't been tested yet on the current week. That's why maybe market will show some retracement to the upside. I don't know exactly. In current situation, it's very difficult to forecast how deep this retracement could move. Maybe market will form just sideways flat action as it now is going on the, as you can see on the daily charts, minor flag is forming. But if market will reach this area, this will be interesting, because we have the weekly pivot point and we have the major 3-8 fib resistance, 6650 area. So very nice area for thinking about the taking the short position. So That's what we will be watching for. And for example, if we will not be able to take short here, we should not be too upset, because later probably we will get another chances to do this, since this really long distance, significant room till the target, and probably we will not get not just one possibility for taking the short position. But right now, as market has hit the reversal, some retracement is possible. So currently we could keep an eye on the New Zealand dollar as well, and just watch whether we will get the chance for taking the short position.